Well, looks like I got back from our little trip to Nashville just in time to enjoy the second snowstorm of the year. Snowstorm? Ice storm? I don't know what the hell that was. The weather out here is terrible and the sidewalks suck, and it's very difficult to train out here. So let me show you what I do when the weather gets like this and I want to train with my dogs. Well, if you've watched my videos, then you've probably seen me train at this plaza a number of times, but it is perfect for the winter because I've got this whole strip that's sheltered, so even if it's snowed quite a bit, it's always clear under here. If it's raining, I can come here and train with the dogs. And I just find it to be a good place. Shops are just starting to open up now. It's just coming into 9 o'clock. So in the next little while, there should be lots of people out, and also provides some good distraction proofing for their obedience. So yeah, maybe you got a place near you where you can kind of tuck under a gazebo or a pavilion or just something where you can go and find a dry place outside to train in the winter. You can always train in your house too, but just not a lot of distractions available in the house. All right, guys, I'm going to get to training with the dogs. Now, had a great time training with the dogs. Everybody deserves a treat. And you guys know the proper way to give a treat to a dog? If you're using a treat as a lure, you might be holding it like this, right? So maybe using it as a lure in training. When you reward a dog, if you try and give them a treat like this, you're probably going to get nipped at some point. So, easiest way to give a dog a treat. Just like that. Hold it open in your hand. The dog takes a treat. Alright, but it's cold out, and we're going to get going. Have a great day. Get out there and train with your dogs. We'll see you later.